Hey guys, welcome back to another video. By the way, first video, I don't know why I said another video. Okay, so today we are going to play Brawl Stars. I will play Brawl Ball, and I think for Brawl Ball, the best character in my opinion will be El Primo. And if you don't have El Primo, then Colt. Colt is also pretty good. And this is my opinion. If you have any better like ideas or like suggestions for me in the comments. Okay, so let's take the ball and in the goal it goes. Okay, so like it is basically just like football. Okay guys, so I am dead. Okay, very good. So every character has his or her own special abilities. So yeah, so like my El Primo. Okay, we won. Okay, so my El Primo has a jump attack, we could say. Like he's a wrestler, so you can like imagine what he would do. Like he like just jumps and does his thing. Okay, so I will show you in like how many characters I have. So top you can see I have 11 out of 44 characters. So I have Shelly, Nita, Colt, Bull, Jesse, Brock, El Primo, Barley, Poco, Rosa and Carl. And I have left to collect all of these ones, like these and all. There are many brawlers. Okay. This one looks cool. Okay. So now we will play Showdown. So Showdown solo. I think for Showdown, if you don't have Bull, then Bull is like pretty good, and if you don't have Bull, then Carl is good. Poco is good for the duos one because he has a special ability of healing. So and Nita is also good. Nita and Jessie, because like they have a Nita has a bear which could help, and Jessie has a turret which also deals damage. So yeah, these ones are good. And actually Bull is like very good because like if you are ever in a pickle, then you could just run away. Okay, so solo, let's go. Guys, sorry for the background noise. Okay, so as you can see, that person who was behind me took Jessie. And one more thing guys, after you collect power points, okay, I'm about to die, basically dead. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got one of yes, I killed both of them. Okay, so you have to collect the like energy points, maybe I don't know what you call them, but yeah, you have to collect those like green things. And I just used my special ability for nothing. Okay, so you can see there are 4 brawlers left including me. Okay, now 3. So okay, let's go. So like if you collect more points, I would say. Okay, it's a showdown between me and that dude who's right over here. Okay, I killed him. Okay, good. So like the points would give you extra health and extra damage. So yeah. So these are the trophies. This character is of rank 12. Okay, so I won't click on play again. Okay. So here you can see that there's a brawl pass from which you can earn rewards. It's like pretty easy. Then you have this one, so you have to collect trophies. Now I have 1364 trophies. Pretty good. Okay, yeah. So now I will show you a good character for gem grab. Like Gem Crab is one like which has pretty good defense and pretty good health. So Carl Good has a pretty okay defense. Damage is okay good. Poco is also good because like he has a special healing ability, and if you don't know his healing ability, I'll show it to you. Okay, so Gem Crab, let's go. Okay. So in Gem Crab, you have to collect the gems, and after you reach a certain amount of gems, which is 10, then your team goes on a countdown type thing, and you have to secure your gems and not die for 10 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds, I think. Okay. So after I get my super ability, I'll show it to you what I mean by the healing thing. And like he not only heals your like not enemies, teammates, he also heals you. Okay, so now I am on low HP, I healed myself. Yeah. So now I am on 4000. Okay, she's shredding me. Okay. Very good. Okay, got that. So as you can see, there is a player known as Sarah. She has 9 of them, 9 gems. So if we just collect one more gem, then we will win. Yeah, now as you can see, our team is on a countdown. So now it is on a countdown. So like after, yeah, now it is on the 10-second timer. You just have to protect like every single one. If you don't have, okay, so we won, as you can see. So this SSLOIU was the star player. Star player means the best player. Okay guys, so yeah. So battle tokens exhausted. Why? So you get trophies, as you can see. I just got some trophies and my bar bent up a bit. So after I reach 1400 trophies, I will get 100 rupees, or not rupees, what are these? Coins, yeah. And what are these? Gems. And what is this? Okay, star points. Okay, so today in the shop there is Heroine BB, then Street Ninja Tara, Normal Tara, and like these are like you have to buy them with gems. Okay, and if you want gems, you could use your money, which I won't. And there's another way to get gems, which is here in the Brawl Pass. Like you get gems. So just now, as you could see, I got the big box, then the Brawl box, and after that I got 10 gems. By the way, I used the 10 gems for like in the store. Now you can see there is the epic brawler, this one. So first it was for 30 gems, so I used all of my 30 gems for a brawler, and I got Rosa. It's not that good, but I'll take it. Then after I get a big box, after I will get 10 gems more. Then after a long period of time, I will get 20 gems. Then like after, one more thing. After you reach, there's like a time where you get like mega chests, this mega box, like, and you get it on 65, then like 66, 67, then another one on 68. It's really hard to get there, by the way, really hard. And if you like want a easy way, just complete the daily quest and the seasonal quest. Seasonal quest, you will only be able to do them I'll show you. Season ends in 66 days. So until 66 days are not over and you have completed these things, you won't get any new ones. But this daily quest like reset every 24 hours, which is a day. Okay guys, so now I'll play one last game with one of my favorite brawlers, Carl. One of my favorites, probably my favorite brawler. Let's play. I played Brawl Ball in the start, right? So now I will play Showdown. Okay. So Showdown duo or solo. So like Actually, I want to give you a tip. Like you guys might be pros and have better brawlers than me, but if you are playing Showdown, a good character for new players is Bull. Just level up your Bull, he will be a beast. He is pretty good. So now I will also select Bull for my duo Showdown. So actually solo. Yeah, let's go solo. Okay guys, so you can see there are 4 brawlers in the center, and like there are in total 10 brawlers. Okay, so you want to actually correct these power points, I say maybe. So after you get these power points thing, then you like your damage increases, your health increases and all. Okay, so you have to break these chests. What am I speaking? Okay, chests. Yeah, that's right. So, and if you even kill another person or a player who has many energy token, maybe who has more energy token, yeah, like that, you will get his or her energy tokens. So now it's a showdown. That means me versus that person. Okay, she just wrecked my face. 11. What? Okay, very bad. I literally did not get a kill. That's why I was like a bit down. I only had 3 or 4, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah, I could do one more thing. Yeah, wait. I'll show you. There's like 2 events, which is like bounty and heist. And like as you can see, new event in 4 hours 36 minutes. So in this much time, your new thing will charge up. Your new thing. Not charge up. Why am I saying charge up? Like, there will be a new game. So now if there is bounty, after 4 hours 36 minutes, there will be siege or maybe any other game. And if you want to know what happens in the game and you don't know, you're playing for the first time, you could click on the exclamation mark right there. Yeah, the upside down exclamation mark, or you could say I. If you click on that, you can see what happens. So it's a 3v3, it's open plaza, bounty, okay, the name and all. And then there's a map maker. So if you just go on these 3 dot lines, there's the option known as map maker. So you could create your own map. So if I want, I could edit this, rename this, delete this one, or even submit. Okay, so there's a friendly game also, like in which you can I think call your friends, like this. So invite, then I can invite any of my friends like that. So I don't want to play this now. And yeah, if you go in that, there are many maps. Okay, like don't miss playing these. They are custom made maps by other people. You could also make one, yeah. So wait, I'll show you. How do you escape from, like, not escape? How do you go out from here? May I know? May I know how to cut it? Okay, leave. Yeah, good. Good, I came to know about that. So if you go here, then map maker, then create new map. Then you can name your map. Not going to create one now. You can select a game mode. So like gem grab, solo showdown, bounty, heist, brawl ball, gem grab, anything. So like for example, brawl ball. Okay, not brawl ball, heist. Then like you can choose the map. There are 2 maps for now. And like there are different maps for every single one. For gem grab, then we have this one, and then this minecart one. For brawl ball, we only have this map, unfortunately. For heist, we have these 2 maps as you saw. So you just go, you name your thing, like if I name this one OP, weird name. And then heist, brawl, okay, brawl ball, create. So you could create your own custom map. So this is the goal right here. And this is also the goal right here, goal post. This is the spawn location where the ball will spawn. So it's like you can click on that, then yeah, you could just build. So for example, yeah, if I just want to build this thing, yeah, just like that.